Good night, teacher. To presentation activity 3. Daily routine. What time do you get out on Sundays? On Monday, Thursday. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. And my day. What ate, roasted, had breakfast, was hams, go to school, have the lunch, go to home. And daily routines on some days I always get up late and prepare breakfast with my family. We never stay at home, and sometimes we go out for a walk. On Mondays, I get up early. I make my bed, brush my teeth, take a shower, and go to work at 8 in the morning. At 9 o'clock, I had a quick breakfast and share with my friends in the break room. At 10 o'clock, I go to the class again at share with the students. I usually like to sing with them. Sometimes we forget to go out. On Thursday for the afternoon, I go to the supermarket to buy food for the week because I never found any fruit and vegetable on Wednesday. On Wednesday. On Wednesday, I visit my mom. I prepare dinner for her and I organize and iron all her clothes. Mom is a very sweet woman. Generally, I clean the house for her, and sometimes she wants to drink tea with me. On Thursday, we go to the children to play a sport. We often go for a walk and jog in the park. Later, we watch television with my daughter, and I will also pick up some books to read and draw. We also go out to a nearby restaurant for dinner. On Friday morning, I work, and in the afternoon, I dedicate myself to grading the exam and workshops that the student present to me. Seldom left the house. On Saturday, I dedicate myself to studying almost all day. Thank you so much. Teacher, have a nice day.